Here's what's waiting for you on the inside of the Second Wind Sprint Challenge. This is your sprint classroom, everything in one place. Breath work, meditations, workouts, nutrition, the accountability tracker, no confusion, no clutter. In the breathwork section, you'll start every day with a 5 to 7 minute guided breathwork session. These reset your nervous system, sharpen your focus, and get you grounded fast, okay? Just one round can change your entire day, maybe your life. The accountability tracker is something I've been using with my clients for decades. It really works, okay? This is your momentum engine. The daily check boxes, the simple scoring, and a clear path forward. Men who use this stay consistent, and you'll have an accountability brother and myself to help keep you consistent with that. Workouts, like I said, we don't just jump right into it. We need to set the baseline, the internal systems, the mindset. Week 2, we add intelligent strength training, guided workout videos, fast, efficient, built for busy men like ourselves. No fluff, no wasted time. And I've curated this from exercises and workout plans that I've done over the course of a 30-year personal training career. The nutrition plan, guys, this is a huge one, right? Nutrition, we can fill an entire library on this subject. But what I teach is a very simple CKD eating structure. That stands for Cycladic Ketogenic Diet. I'll explain more about that later, but it makes eating simple and it eliminates energy crashes. You'll feel the difference within days. It can get you a little bit, leaner or absolutely shredded. We also have the community. You're not doing this alone. The brotherhood inside moves fast, where we share wins and our losses. We're there for each other to pick each other up and to hold each other to a higher standard. So if you're ready to rebuild your energy, your strength, and your confidence, join the 14-day sprint challenge and catch your second wind. You'll find the link in my bio.